Welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to write data in the database using PHP. Okay, so this is my PHP project. We have one file here, index.php, and this is the HTML template. We have connected the database here using PHP, and this is my PHpMyAdmin where I have these databases. In this case I have connected the PHP tutorial database, which you can see this one, and inside it I have a table which is my table. Inside my table I have one column which is ID. So I want to write data inside this my table under the ID column using my PHP project. Okay, here is my PHP project. I need to add input method where user will add user will input some data which will be adding to our database. So for that I will add a form here. Form action I don't want to add now. I need method. Our method will be post method, which will post the data from our project to the database. Control S, and inside this I will add a label which says enter a number, and I need input type will be number. Okay, now let's check our page. We have one label, enter a number, and we have the input section. I need a submit button. Button. The type of the button will be submit. Okay, I need to give a name for the input. Using the name we will target our input actually. So the name will be suppose my text. Okay, so for whom I am using this label, for my text, so I will copy the my text, and for v, yeah. Okay, so check our page. I need to write something in the button, so make it more visible. Control S and Control R. Yeah, now we need to write our main PHP code. I will write it just below our form. Okay, so what I will do, at first I will give a condition. If is set, we are using post method here, so post the name of our button. Okay, I need to give a name for our submit button, or we cannot target it. Submit button, submit. Okay, I will add it here. Yeah, if this condition is fulfilled, then I need to get this input. So how I will get it? I will write underscore post my text. Okay, and I will save it inside a variable. Inside input I will write input equal to this. Okay, so I am saving the user inputted value or number inside my input variable. Now I need to write my SQL code that will bring our data inside our DB. So the SQL code will be like this. insert into the table name, which is my table. Insert into my table. I need to specify the column name here, which is id, and then values, and our value will be input. Okay, so this is the input variable which has our user inputted number, and it will be added inside this id column through this input variable, we can see. So I will be using a function, MySQL function, to make this query work. The function is MySQL query. It uses two arguments. First one is our connection, I mean the DB connection, this one, and the second one is our SQL query. Okay, Control S, saving it. Now let's check if this is working or not. So I will refresh, I will reopen the page. Okay, I will enter number 12, suppose, and I am submitting it. Now let's check our database, and we have 12 here. Okay, as you see, I will add another number, 67. I submit it, and the data is here. Okay, that's how we write data inside our DB, and that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.